All units, information only. Lynnwood PD is responding to an assault with a weapon at Lynndale Park, 18927, 72nd Avenue West. RP claiming they've been shot.
Tennis courts.
Lincoln 24 and Lincoln 5 are arriving.
Received.
Lincoln 4-2, can you notify Edmund, see if they can keep an eye on the OBD side?
They've been advised.
Lincoln 2, attach me, can you advise county just in case we get a vehicle description?
They've been advised.
Lincoln 1, secure the tow.
And the OB was shot in the arm. We're still waiting for the...
Thanks, Lincoln 1, on scene.
Received.
6 Lincoln 1, secure the tow. 1 to 2, 4, or 5, so you guys find them.
We're up at East Entrance.
Thanks to Lincoln 1, where's the caller supposed to be at?
Just west of the tennis courts.
Up here, he's on the line with them.
Abraham is still on the line.
Shot out to us, we're not finding them so far.
Received.
Here, no, he's probably about 50 yards west of the tennis courts.
Received 50 yards west.
Execute it and stay by the parking lot so they can call us in. We're going to be... Lincoln 1, you can roll on 18 secure.
Received, seems to get ready.
Gunshot wound from broken arm.
Received, gunshot wounded arm.
Again, 24, next unit in, grabbing 8 kids from the car. Again, Lincoln 4-2 arriving.
Received.
Lincoln 1, there's a third person somewhere.
Received a dead person somewhere.
Chris, where are you? Come on, let's get more assistance from other agencies so we can find the third subject. Thanks, Lincoln 24. I found a third subject. He's agonal.
Received.
Lincoln 24, the subject who's agonal had a firearm next to him.
Received.
And 4-2, make sure that 8 knows to come on in. East parking lot by the tennis courts.
Received.
One by one on pole 2, you got 3 county units coming your way. Looking forward to lots of broken glass here, so suspect vehicle probably has a broken window.
Received.
Lincoln 4-2, make sure medics know the easiest exit or entrance is off the OBD.
Received.
got one with a gunshot wound in the back, through and through the arm, and injury to the hand.
Transit 18 on the scene. Do you guys still have a third victim you're looking for? The third victim. We just need medical assistance. Link 1 to Snowcom. We need EM aid.
They're getting on scene now.
Copy. We're at the North Park entrance. We're right by Fort's car. And let them know we'll have 3 victims. 1, just to recap, 1 victim has gunshot wound right arm, 2nd victim has gunshot wound to back, arm, and unknown where the 3rd one has it. Land 24, 3rd victim has a gunshot wound to the chest, exiting out of the back, he's agonal. Copy, let's try to prioritize him first. One and 2, where are you at? Link 1, secure the tones.
38 tons, yeah.
Link 4, do we know how far out fire is? They're here. Where are you located? Go to that northernmost part of the parking lot. We're directly west of it to the park. We offer direct them over there to you.
5 and 0 left.
Go towards the strobe. Icon 6. I only see 2 ambulances over here on the east side of the park. Where are the rest? Friend, did they say I'm bringing a medic unit to you? They're trying to figure out how to get a vehicle over there, but I'm taking them on foot. Copy. Who's ever with one, tell them to come in on Olympic View Drive. There's a parking lot right next to where they're at. Where the unit is headed to you right now. Okay, 1 boy 1 to Lynnwood units. Do we need to lock down this park for containment? They probably left in a car. There's broken glass, and they're not being very helpful with suspect info. Link 101. 6753, I got medic 16 coming up to you guys. Link 618 crew should be on the way to you. I got the battalion chief to send the rest in off OBD. 6, Link 6. He's declared code black on the diagonal. One to 2. 6 in Lincoln 1 to 2, Lincoln 2. We're at 2. Hey, when you guys are done with that, we gotta lock down this parking lot. This is where the shooting happened. Lincoln 4-2, if there's other agencies there, if they can start locking down with crime scene tape. 6 Lincoln 4-2, CID has been notified. 603 on police 2, I'm arriving in the area. Do you still want that west side locked down? If you could come in off OBD and close down that side, that would be great. You will have a couple 8 cars here leaving shortly. Got it. 6 Lincoln 4-2, if we don't have it already, if I can have an outside agency block off the entrance to the park from OBD, and just make sure that it's manned, because we're going to need to be able to get the medics out of here. 6753, that's where I'm at. Thank you. Transit 18. Secondary search for victims from the amphitheater west and south of the amphitheater are clear. No additional victims. west entrance to the park.
Please.
Edward 3, can you walk some crime scene tape up to the upper parking lot? I ran out. Yeah, sure. 1224.
62 Lincoln 5. 62 Lincoln 5.
Good.
I was on the 8 car to Harborview also.
Good.
Advise the nearby hospitals and potential other gunshot victims come in.
Yes.
Or advise them to notify us.
Please.
6 Lincoln 1, 2 Lincoln 2. Good. Are you bringing your car up here? Yeah, I just made it. Perfect, you read my mind.
6 Lincoln 42. Swedish Edmonds is calling in saying they just had a gunshot wound victim walk into the ER.
Yep. I know they're already tasked, but see if Evans can drop a unit by there.
Appreciate
1 to port 2. You need anyone to go down to Edmonds right now, or just focus on the main scene? Looking for 2, is Evans able to get a unit to go down there?
Hey, they have a unit on scene at Swedish.
We'll stand by for right now.
6 Lincoln 42. 6 Edward 42 is at Swedish Edmonds, so that there's a witness at the hospital.
Therefore, I'll notify our CID.
Yes. 6 Lincoln 42. Just making sure you copy the unit, copy the holding shots calls, and correction, 3 holding shots complaint calls and a suspicion.
Do they come in at the same time as this one, or are they separate?
They're all coming in the next couple minutes.
Therefore, we've been hearing some fireworks. That's probably them. Anything substantiated as gunfire, or just sound?
We've had 3 separate RPs that said it was gunfire. One is saying it came from 20556 Avenue West, just east of this address. The other one is from the Lynnwood Crest Apartments. Heard 2 gunshots from a male yelling. And the other one heard 2 gunshots just east of 6507 191st.
Therefore, see if terrorists might have a unit that might be able to check those out.
There you go.
6 Lincoln 42.
Good.
Can you verify if one of the victims was taken to Provence?
If one of the medics transferred to Prov, I can add in the narrative which one. The 6-2 King 1, are you on main? This is
2 Lincoln 2 to 99. Lincoln 2 to 6 Lincoln 99. Stand by the phone. Lincoln 99, go ahead, the last unit. 2 Lincoln 2. You're good. If you're still at the PD, would you mind grabbing the scanner and tablets and such? Yeah, I'll run back up here to the scene. I'll grab everything. I'll be back in about 10. Lincoln 71 to Lincoln 99. Good. I'm still on on my way in. I will grab all that. Be at the scene. Okay, copy that. Again, I'm Mousy. Lincoln 42, stay 99. I'll meet you near the basketball courts. Okay, I'm on 72nd. I believe you're just rolling it. Lincoln 42. What time did this call initially come in?
Initially came in at 21:58. And 6 Lincoln 42, just for info, I just wanted you to be advised that there's 2 involved at Swedish Edmonds. We're trying to clarify if it's further than the witness and the one gunshot victim.
So there's 2 involved?
We're clarifying that now. 6 Lincoln 42. We confirmed with Edmonds. It's just the one victim and the one witness at Edmonds. No further.
5.
Good.
I get service here at Harborview, so if anybody needs to contact me, just have them call my cell.
Thank you.
Lincoln 74, which unit was in Harborview that was crashing?
62 Lincoln 5.
Lincoln 95, show me the scene, please.
Last unit on 62, go ahead. There's a 6 Lincoln 96 on scene.
95.
95 on scene.
7-1 to 42. I got a CSD on their way in. I'm going to pick up the stuff at the station. I guess if you can ask Edmonds just to sit at the hospital with those 2 until I get more detectives here, then we can break them free. Definitely. Lincoln 96, Lincoln 42. Go ahead. In the interest of scene integrity, should I come in from the east or the west side of the park? I think the east would be best. Parking lot over by the school off 72nd. Copy. I'll be there in a few. Lincoln 95 to 41. 42, go ahead. You're 20. I think I should get there. Okay to walk in this way. Lincoln 96, put Lynnwood on level 2, please.
Copy level 2.
Just like a 4-2.
6 Lincoln 42.
I'll need a unit with crime scene tape to head over towards the basketball courts. Lincoln 1, I copy. I'll try and find the tape we got.
Copy.
603 to Lincoln 1. I can run down to Edward 53 and grab some more. Copy. I have a tape up here somewhere. Just gotta try and re-find it. 6 Lincoln 96, I'm not seeing.
Okay.
6 Lincoln 77, I'm at Providence.
6 Lincoln 77, copy.
1 to 4-2, what do you want? Taped off at the basketball court. Walk around the court over to me, I'll explain. Copy that. 1 to 2, can you give me a call? 6 Lincoln 77, do you have Octavius Dickinson in the call?
Negative.
I'll be on hand when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Dickinson, that's common. First is Octavius. It's OCTAVIUS. Unknown middle, 9106.
Copy. I have a person of Tavia starting with a T Tom. And he's clear ID only out of Everett.
This is the last name and date of birth matchup.
Confirm.
Yeah, that's probably him.